Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make this black effect video editing with CapCut. So first, you can just add your clips into CapCut, and then you can just click on the clips, go to adjust, and here you can follow the settings. So for the brightness, I'm going to lower it to -9, contrast -30. The saturation, I'm going to increase it to 15. Brilliance, lower it to -18. So you can also adjust it to how you like it. I'm going to just go with -5. And after that, you can increase the sharpness into 100. And here you can click on HSL and adjust it to how your videos look like. You can just adjust the color to your videos based on your videos here. Just it how you liked it. And after that, you can also go to grabs and adjust the color of the clip. Okay, click on highlights and lower it to -16. Shadow, -13. If you want to, you can also add some vignette effects to your videos, just like this. Click on a check icon, and now you can click on filter, go to the mono category and add any mono filter that you want. But here I'm going to use the fade filter and set it to around 80. Click on a check icon and you are done. So this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.